What is going on, YouTube? Today is a new day with another vlog, solo vlog, possibly. But today we are working on the Man Malone. And by the title, you already saw what it is. We got some new headlights on the truck. I got the box right here. It's upside down. I opened it upside down, but it sounded cool. So let me flip the camera around and let's get this sort of unboxing because I kind of opened it already. But let's get it. There it is, everyone. The headlights. Yes, sir. I've been wanting these headlights forever. The thing is, when I bought those, I think these were in their prototype stage or something. I don't remember. They weren't out yet, but I remember seeing them. But they weren't for sale. I think they were still testing them or whatever. I don't know. So I got those. Then like a whole year and a half later, maybe. I don't remember when these came out. They released them, but I already had these. So I was like, nah, I'll just stick with these. And I'll get these later on. And today's later on. These headlights did me good. Let's talk about these for a little bit. But these did me good for about 4 years. I got these in 2021 of August. And yeah, it's been 4 years and a few months. Not so bad. They still work. I think this one's in the best condition. A little bit. Whatever this is, like a yellowing, aging. I don't even know. This one over here though is peeling. I don't know if you can see that. It's like peeling around. I don't know what that is, but they still work. I'll show y'all right now. I'll put everything like, oh, it still works and everything. So let's get to it. All right, cool. I got this little stand that you're on right now, so I'm gonna show you the headlights that they still work and everything. LED strip, the high beams, and turn signals. So yeah, as you guys saw, the headlights still work. They're perfectly fine. I'm gonna put them up for sale. So if you're in the Austin area, give me some offers. They're still good. It's just a little bit peeling. I might look into a video, see maybe there's a way to fix that, but I don't know. I could look, but hit me up, Austin area. These are for sale. They're still good, still work. So, but let's get to this. First things first, we gotta pop the hood. All right, so I'm pretty sure everyone knows that I've removed headlights off of these. It's just 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And then there's like tabs back here that you have to pull. That's about it, but you just pull it, literally. It's just these 3, then you pull the headlight out. And you got connectors, obviously, after that. So, let's just do that and then test these one out. I can't wait to put these though. These look so clean, I can't wait to put those. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, I have it hooked up. It's not fully on. I didn't bolt it down yet, but let's see if it works first. So let's do that. Sheesh! That was clean. Is it me or does these look brighter? But this gives it more modern look. Oh yeah, these are tough. These are tough. Those do look more brighter. Those. Let me step more back. I'm gonna build my handicap. Yeah, these are more brighter, just straight. But that's fine. This just looks cleaner. Oh, let me test the turn signal. Whoa. Oh, damn, that looks so much better. This one actually looks brighter than the turn. So the turn signal looks brighter than that. Or it's just me. Hold on. Yeah. Turn signal wise, these are brighter. Turn signal wise. Not those. Let me check the high beams. My blind though. They're about the same. Looks kind of the same to me. Oh, overall it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna hook it up, plug it in, and we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do a little time lapse with some Minecraft music. So yeah, enjoy. Alrighty guys, there are the headlights. I haven't took off the wrap yet. I'm gonna do that like last. But I noticed out of this box, it has some wiring. I noticed on this, when I take this one, yeah, there it is. Let me get my size. This was such a good deal. This flashlight from Harbor Freight. Okay. There was this, that little thing. I was wondering what it was for. But from what I heard, there's like no instructions. This is in the bigger box. I just opened it wrong. Oh, I put a big ass sticker. Unrivaled wiring. Is this that? Is just this? Is there instructions? I mean, it's simple, but I don't know what that is. Let's open this. It's a cool system. Nope. I think from what I read before, when I seen online, this is for like daytime running lights. You know how the newer trucks, they have the, or newer vehicles, they have the daylight running. It's just pretty much the strip lit up the whole time, like even during the daylight. But why do that when you can just do this? If you have, no, look, you can just do this. Put on the little park light or whatever it's called, and bam, they're on. Look at that. You can just do that. But I mean, if you want them on, you want them wired on, you can. I don't know anything. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to set it up. Ground wire. So that will plug into the thing. Same with that one. Positive. It looks simple. A fuse. Nah, I'm okay. I'm not gonna do all that. If I really want to, I can just do this. And it's easy. So yeah, let's unwrap these and then we'll mess with the lights. But let's get to it. All right, we're gonna unwrap them. Let's go. Okay, maybe I tightened it down too much because it was hard to take it off from the bottom. Okay, that thing is tight. Oh, let me see these. Oh, jeez. They look clean. Let me turn on the turn signal.
Oh hell yeah! All the trucks look. Oh, I gotta close the hood. I gotta close the hood. You have to close the hood. Everything's already done. So. Oh hell yeah! Oh my, it looks so much better. These headlights are clean. Yup. Looks more modern. It just looks better in every shape and form. We see the heightings and everything. Hold on. Okay, so this is low beams. Woo! Yeah, this is clean. This is clean. I like these. These look so much better. So much better than these. And I bought these for $350. They lasted me for $350. And I don't want nobody saying I got them from eBay. Then I got them from eBay. I got them from Redline 360. I think that's the brand. So it was decent. There is eBay ones that look like it, but I think they're more. Their lens are squared, like the circles or whatever. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, this came out clean. It just looks so much better. It looks 10 times better, 100%. I can't lie. It'd be nice if the truck was clean, but I might go wash it later. So I might go test drive and see how it is at night. I feel like it's the same. I feel like there's a halogen or whatever. I don't know what they're called. Halogen lights. I could have got the LED ones, but I prefer these because if the bulbs ever go out, I can replace them. LED ones, hell no, you have to buy a whole new headlight. I ain't doing all that. Now you might say these will go out. Okay, you have a point there. Those go out. Those go out. But most of the time it's gonna be the actual headlight, the bulbs. So I say let's go take it to test drive, clean up a little bit. These are for sale. Let me know. So give me an offer, comment down, whatever. I'm gonna put it up Marketplace, Austin area. Let me know. All right, there's the truck. I just cleaned up a little bit so I can test drive it. And when I come back, I'm just gonna park it back in the garage. So headlights done. We still got a lot more to do. But little by little. Got the front tail, got the headlights now. Roll the front fenders. Protect the module, did that. Got the cab mounts, because apparently they were missing. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. That's literally, I can do that. That's free. But same with that, it's kind of free. Just buy the new gasket and the oil. But we will see. Soon. Eventually all this will get done. Soon. So let's go test drive and see how it looks at night while driving. Alright, gang. This is me driving. I wonder if you can hear the music, because my music didn't stop for some reason. But it is what it is. So this is how it looks like it's driving. I say it's pretty good. It's not bad. Well, now you can't really tell because all the lights are here. But I say it's decent. I wonder how it looks outside. I didn't do a comparison how it looks, like interior wise, with the old headlights and the new one, bruh. It is what it is. Hey, I think it's pretty cool. They look better. 10 times, 100%. Alright everybody, as you can see, it's a new day. I was gonna record the outro last night, but I forgot because I got home late. But this is how it looks during the day. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, these are clean, so much better. But yeah, this is gonna be the outro. I forgot to record it last night because I came back from a movie theater and watched Five Nights at Freddy's. Pretty cool movie, I like it. So I'm about to dip. So on that, headlights are in good condition. I say they're good. My old headlights are over there for sale. Let me know. I already put them on Marketplace, so who knows, when this video goes out, it might be sold by then. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Well, you can see me. Catch y'all in the next video, and take care and be safe. Peace.